I wanted to take the girls to Lip Lab for Valentine's Day, but it didn't happen. But we made it here. Finally, the whole place was full. We got to go in the back where it was semi-private. So you get to pick your color and texture. I wanted David to make one for me too, and he chose green. Then your color expert mixes up the color and you can try them on. And he chose a nude brown. Maxine did a pink. Olive chose a blue-green. And then we get to try it on to see if we like it. She loved it. My favorite color of lipstick is a red orange. It actually came out perfect, but I decided to go with the sheer one so I can wear it more often. David chose this one for me, but I wanted him to wear it too, so he tried it on. Eddie helped him a little bit. My turn to try it on. It was giving Melt Cosmetics. We picked our scent, we named it, and chose our container. While they made our lipstick, we walked around the mall. David kept his lipstick on the whole time. We went back to pick them up, and here they are. The girls were so happy and excited. They all put it on right away. Olive named her lipstick Turtle. Maxine named hers Heart Dust. Teddy Bear for Adeline. 10/10 recommend.